Welcome friends in our another part of Panasonic Robot Training Teach-Pendent. Here we discussed part 10. Today we have discussed circular interpolation. With the circular interpolation, the tool center point of the robot moves in circular arc. The circular path will be determined by teaching at least 3 consecutive circular interpolation points. Move C. Caution in teaching circular interpolation points. Even though there are teaching points registered as Move C circular interpolation points, unless 3 or more Move C points are registered in series, the robot recognizes the section as linear interpolation and makes a linear movement. You can see linear interpolation in this diagram. Move C start, Move C end, Move C intermediate 1, 2, 3. Next is teaching procedure. Prior to teaching circular interpolation points, make sure the edit type icon on the menu bar is set to add. First, teach circular start point. You can see circular start point in this image. A. Press the R shift key and press the function key for circular interpolation. Then the add point data displayed at the bottom of the screen becomes Move C. B. Move the robot to the circular start point and then press the enter key. Second, teach circular intermediate point. Move the robot to the circular intermediate point and then press the enter key. Third, teach circular end point. Move the robot to the circular end point and then press the enter key. The teaching point is regarded as the circular end point when the next teaching point is registered with an interpolation type other than circular. Next is supplementary notes. If you want to specify move C command parameters, turn off the robot motion icon and move the cursor to the teaching point and then click the jog dial. Then the setting dialog box of move C command is displayed. Edit parameters and register. All this process you can see in this image. Now next is what is circular interpolation. The robot calculates a circle from 3 teaching points and moves on the circular arc. If there are more than one circular arc sections in series, if there are more than one circular intermediate points in a series of move C points, the circular arc from the teaching point to the next point is calculated from the current teaching point and the next 2 teaching points except for the circular arc to the circular end point from the previous point. The circular arc for the circular end point is calculated from the circular end point and the previous 2 teaching points. You can see all these points in this diagram. ABC, BCD, A start point, E here end point, CDE, CDE. This blue box indicates points to be used to calculate locus of each section. Now here we discuss supplementary notes. First, to create a path of 2 separate circular arcs in series as per the right figure. Here you can see right figure, move C, move C, move C, circular arc split off point, move C, move C. How to register the circular arc split off point? A. To register the split off point in edit mode after registering the circular arcs, open the file you want to work on, move the cursor to the circular end point of the first circular and then click OK. Then the move C command setting dialog box is displayed. Mark the checkbox of the circular arc split off and then click OK. B. To register circular arc split off point at the same time as registering the circular end points, press the R shift key to register the circular end point. On the setting dialog box, click the interpolation type. Click the interpolation type. If the interpolation type is move C, the circular arc split off point checkbox is editable. Mark the checkbox and register the teaching point. Second, if the circular arc split off point is registered into consecutive teaching points, the robot makes a linear movement, linear interpolation between the points. Third, if consecutive circular interpolation points are closely positioned, changing position of one of the points can cause significant change in robot movement or circular arc path. Make sure to give sufficient space between points when teaching circular interpolation points. You can see this image. Here you can see item and contents, interpolate, move C, haircut, ID, weld, position, P001 manual, S 10 meter per minute, CL is equal to 0, smooth, default, split off, window change key, switches the active cursor. Now interpolation, move C, split off, OK, enter key, cancel key. Now you can see this diagram here. Move C, split off point, linear section, move C, split off point. Here you can see the distance between these 2 split off points. Now next is each weld section, welding specification. Welding robots are provided with functions for operation frequently used in welding. Welding on off operation for easy operation. Wire inching gas check. This image you can see the wire gas check icon. From the user function icons, turn on the wire gas check icon. Then function icons are changed to wire inching and gas check icons. For details of how to change wire inching speed, refer to section 14, arc welding machine settings. Here you can see a table. Here two columns are given. One is function icon, second one is functions. First we will discuss here wire feed forward. While holding down the key, the robot feeds the wire forward. The robot starts feeding the wire at low speed until the preset changeover time comes, and then it changes the speed to high speed. Second, wire feed backward. While holding down the key, the robot feeds the wire backward. The robot starts feeding the wire at low speed until the preset changeover time comes, and then it changes the speed to high speed. Last one is gas check. While the green lamp is on, the gas valve is open. Each time you press the corresponding function key, the gas on-off state is switched. If the gas check is kept in the on state, it is automatically turned off in 1 minute.